Hi, how are ya? So today we will be converting this old white shirt to this Little Mermaid inspired shirt. So let's get started, shall we? So I started off by tracing over my computer screen with the white piece of paper in order to create a stencil. Then I just cut it out. Now moving on. So before you ever paint any shirt, you want to make sure you put something under it. So I'm going to put a piece of cardboard so the paint won't bleed over the other side of the shirt. Now I'm going to place my stencil in the place I want the image to be, and I am going to start tracing over it. As you see here, I originally had used a lead pencil, but then I just decided to trace it with a purple crayon. By the way, I am using acrylic paint, which tends to stay on shirts as long as you iron it once the paint has dried. And now that I had the outline, I started painting right away. Y'all, I'm so sad! So I forgot to record, but I got a big purple drop of paint right here. So I had to cover it with first I bleached it and then I put white paint over it. I hope it disappears soon. But anyways, this is how it looks so far, and I'm just going to outline the rest and we'll be good. And this is the final result. I tried my best to cover this stain, but it won't go away. And yeah, so this is how the shirt turned out. As I said, you can cut it. For now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I really like large shirts, even though it's like a skirt. I mean a dress, even though it's like a dress on right now. But I'll probably cut it in the future, or I'll just stick to tying it. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and it's still so sad that it had to be there. Oh well, my hair will cover it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos coming soon to Kids Play. I will see you next time. Bye bye.